Hey guys, alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the Sephiro that I just got. Ta-da! It's in as stock condition as possible. I've swapped the rims, I've changed the rims. I'll show you guys a picture of the original car here. So as you can see, I've swapped the rims, I've done the exhaust system as well. I'm so sorry I didn't really do much more video about that, but you guys will be able to see the video after this. I'll do the exhaust sound and stuff. I'm so sure if you guys can see, but yep, there's a flexible flange, flexible joint, sorry, and it's fully straight pipe 3-inch into muffler behind. It's also fully wrapped. So, yeah. All good. Car condition is horrible though. It's like crack everywhere. I've removed the whole interior as well. I pull up the whole interior. I'm ripping out some of the wirings and some of the unneeded stuff. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm not using an external mic. I'm using just the original GoPro mic. I've ripped out the door. I'm doing soundproofing material as well. Mask, yeah guys, always use mask. Carry as much mask. Always wear new masks all the time, guys. Don't keep reusing it all at the same time. So R32 dashboard, original one. Everything looks good, everything looks nice, everything looks stock. These are all seats, but as you guys saw the video earlier, this is a SS seat that I got from Kakimoto. Thanks to William though from Kakimoto Sapijaya. That guy is awesome. He hooked me up with this. He even got me the bracket, which actually it was back ordered for a month, but I'm not so sure how he managed to get it within 2 days actually. So this is a 3M soundproofing material that I'm going to be doing in the car. Oh, I bought a breaker bar as well. It's a top tier breaker bar, 24-inch, a really strong one, so that I can use to do the RB25 build. This steering hub, this roller for yep. So yeah, all good. This is surprisingly not a sticker. Not so sure if you guys can see. It looks like a sticker, but it's not. I can't feel anything here. It's like flat. It's like someone covered this part and painted just the top. So yeah, yeah, I don't really like it. It says Nissan. So I'm definitely going to paint the car. I'm going to paint it black, definitely. I really love the rims color though. It's like metallic silver kind of style. So I'll probably leave the color on the rim. I'm not so sure yet, but I'll paint the car black first and see if it's not really suitable. Then I'll definitely go with all black. And it's much more easier to maintain black color though. So yeah, all right. I'll show you guys a picture of the power steering. Not the power steering, the steering wheel, and some of the parts I got. They're not really original, guys. This car doesn't really cost that much. I'm not going to spend parts where it's going to cost 5 times the value of the car, but I'll go full original parts on the engine internals, like ACR bearings, ARP head stars. Yeah, those kind of stuff you want to go original. But stuff like seats and steering and everything, it's fine. Taiwan steering, they have like quality tests as well to make sure when you accident it snaps and break and all, for safety feature as well. So it's all good. And even SS has a safety feature rating where because it's Malaysia made, but they have like this I'm not so sure, Serum rating or something to make sure that it's safe for on-road use. So yep. Alright guys, so I even got this oil cache tank. It's really nice. It's huge. There's 4 inlets as well. That's crazy. Obviously I'll be only using like 2, I guess, on the RB. This is a vent hose with the air filter as well. There's a bracket and some AN fittings and stuff like that. So yep, it's really nice though, and it's black and it's big. As you guys know, the Nissan, because as you know, Nissan head is always overflow with oil. Sometimes it gets through the baffle and you'll always like fill up this part really fast. And my steering wheel, there's not much design, so this one, the design I got, it's just a simple one, but it looks really nice though. And main reason I went with the red stitching is because it matches the seat as well. So yeah, it's not bad. I just really wish this part is red or black or full black. Maybe I'll just like make this part black and black. I don't know, we'll see how. So I even got like some cheap sparkle. This guy, he was giving in for like 15 bucks. I was like, alright, sure man, just pass it over, because the original one is all cracking, you know. Well, this car is like almost 25 years, yeah, 25 years old. It's a 1995 Nissan Sephiro. So the inner part and the interior is all, even the brake pedal rubbers are all cracking and breaking. So yeah, I'll just change it to a new one instead, because you definitely want something that grips, you know. Like, see this part here, this is like rubber grommets, yeah, so it doesn't slip out from your leg for safety and all. So oh yeah, this is my old exhaust. This is a H-gas exhaust, original H-gas exhaust. Yep, it's a half cut one. The guy actually got it from a R32 half cut, so if it's a half cut, I'm pretty sure it's original. So yeah, if any of you guys want it, hit me up, I'll give you a good price for it. Alright guys, so we're gonna be changing out the seats, original Sephiro seats. It's horrible though, as you can see that side here, yeah, it's a bit dented as well. I don't know why, I can't really fix it. I think it's because of rain or something. So I'm gonna be opening up this bolt. This is a 40mm bolt, two of them here on that side, and then there'll be two more. Oh, can't see from there. And then on there, one, you see, one more on the side there, the side. I just realized there's an amplifier. I'm gonna get rid of this as well. I'm not so sure what this is, but I think it's a ground cable for the amplifier, I guess, or for the sound system or what. You see a bunch of wirings. I don't know what wirings this is from the owner. I couldn't stand how dirty the car was, so I'm gonna make sure to really clean it up, take out all the carpets, clean everything up, and redo everything back. So firstly, I'm going to be doing the seats. Hey guys, alright, so I decided not to do the chairs for now because it started raining outside, and it's been raining the whole entire time. I'm not so sure what's wrong. So I'm gonna cut the video short, and before I go, I'm just gonna explain to what happened to BMW. Main reason I didn't go through with the project is because firstly, it's costing way much more than I expected, like way much more. Like if I set aside 50,000 to do the project, yeah, it's gonna cost more than that, and that's not including the engine or the gearbox. You see how I was building up the cost. And here's the issue. Firstly, the E90 was nice, but I realized that I wouldn't be able to use the E90 differential, the rear one. Secondly, the prop shaft is too small, so I'll need to use an M3 prop shaft and an F3 differential as well, which has LSD, obviously one LSD. And also you want to use a subframe and stuff like that, you know, the rear calipers, knuckles and stuff like that, which those don't cost cheap, you know. I got quoted 7,000 for the whole rear subframe and the prop shaft and everything, which was still seem okay and a little bit reasonable, but main reason was I can't really use the center bearing shaft. It's way too different. It's way, the height and everything is just like way out of line. Secondly is when I put in the 2J and the adapter, I realized that, you see, the gearbox is sitting quite high up. I'm not so sure why, but it was, it was lower. I can't remember, it's either high or too low or too high, and basically the prop shaft was angled somewhere like that or something, and we had to make a custom one piece, because if I were to cut and reweld, yeah, I'm not so sure if any really, I know there's really good machine shops in Malaysia as well, but I just can't really figure out one yet to do that. and also the guibo for the adapter and stuff like that, all those kind of stuff, you know. It was just so much headache, and the DCT harness that I've ordered as well, I'm not so sure what happened, but it still haven't arrived. So I just went ahead and say, you know what, this project is going to take way too long. You know, I've even put up with Swap Garage Mr. Lee on hold for so long, and I do not want to make him wait any longer. So I sold the engine. I sold the gearbox, I sold the car as well to my cousin. My cousin sold his E46, and it's like, you know, buddy, I'm searching for the E90. I was like, well, take mine. You know, everything is out, since he has a 1JZ engine in his house, you know, just on the floor there. I was like, well, dude, you know, put it in. It's non-immobilized. It comes with complete wiring, ECU and everything, gearbox, everything is complete. And it was taken out from E36, I think. Yeah, it was taken out from E36. So the brackets, everything, all, and it's real sum, you know, which is very rare to get a 2JZ real sum is so hard to get, and it's so expensive, it's so pricey. I remember I got mine for like 1,200 ringgit plus. That's not including shipping as well. So yeah, he was lucky. But apparently we put back the engine, everything on the BMW, because he wants to use it just for the time being. He's getting married soon as well, so I think probably after once he's married, then he'll continue with the project. And also Mr. Lee at Swap Garage is packed with cars all the time, so there's like a month's waiting queue. So he said, all right, put back the engine and just use it for time being. And yeah, I sold everything. I sold even the gearbox and the PMC adapter. I did plan not to sell the gearbox actually, because I wanted to use it on the Sephiro, which I got. Only problem is that PMC do not make the adapter for RB25DET bell housing to suit with the M3 gearbox. So they do make for the M4, but Max ECU doesn't support the M4 gearbox. The protocols for the E series and the F series are totally different. So I mean the CAN bus protocols, so they can't really figure that out yet. But who knows in the future, you know. I mean, Max ECU has been always like doing R&D and advancing in the system. I've seen, like, you know, for the past year, their updates is like just astonishing. So if in the future they do, I'll definitely reuse back. I'll definitely get the M4 one. You know, obviously the M4 one much more better. It's new as well, so you wouldn't have to worry like if the gearbox have any issue and stuff like that. Unlike like M3 one is like 12-13 years old. But well, the M3 Getrag gearbox has always been known to be very robust. I've seen people pushing 1,000 horsepower with upgraded clutch kits and works well, you know. And that is with the stock basket. With the billet basket, I'm pretty sure you can go much more higher than that. But I don't know, you know. So yeah, and this is the Sephiro that I'll be starting the new project, guys. And this is a video for the project for the Sephiro. I wouldn't really be selling this one. I've sold, I think I've changed 8 cars for the past 4 years. Yeah, that's right, 8 cars. Some cars I kept, some cars I just, you know, like I sold the GTR, I sold the S4 as well, and I sold the BM as well. Some of the cars I kept, you know, some of the cars I just like, you know what, let it go and start a new project. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's nothing really much. Main reason why I can't really capture much videos, I just got the GoPro Hero 9 and there's no much accessories with it. Like, I'm using the original microphone now. Like, I have the wireless mic and adapter and stuff like that, but I don't think the adapter really can work with the GoPro, you know. So I'm just going to buy a new one and make sure that it works with the GoPro Hero 9. And also the tripods and stuff like that, I sold it with my GoPro Hero 8 because the guy is like, dude, you know, I really want it. Can you just sell me the whole kit? That way I don't have to go out and search for the parts and everything. You know, with the COVID and stuff, people don't really want to go out shopping. So I said, okay man, you know, sold it. And I thought like I'll just order like the tripods and stuff in Shopee again. But they ran out of stock. okay what betul lah. But as soon as they arrive, then at least I have some tripods and stuff like that, you know, that way I don't really have to hold the camera while doing stuff. And I'm going to be stripping the Sephiro. I'm going to explain to you guys in the next video as well, like how I really strip this. I know stripping the interior is not that difficult in certain cars, but Sephiro is a bit tricky, so I'm going to show you guys and, you know, explain to you guys how I got to remove the whole interior. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe guys, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao guys.